Hey guys, in this video we're going to be discussing the best savings account in Australia with a high interest earning. Now there is a few contenders with this, however I pull up the main two which are probably going to be the best for the year of 2024 in my opinion. But ING is always going to be one of the highest interest earning accounts. However, UBank is slowly starting to get up there. Now, currently at the moment, yes, ING does give you the 5.5% per annum. It is a variable rate, of course. Now, with the UBank option, it gives you 5.10%, which is still very, very competitive. It still is really high, especially ahead of the four major banks anyway. But with ING, I do feel as though they do make you jump through so many more hoops to get this 5.5%. And if you miss a few months or you forget to transfer some payments over, you can miss out completely and not even realize it. So if we're going through ING first, obviously why open an ING? Because it does give you currently the best interest rate at the moment. There's no fees. Also like to mention that UBank also has no fees as well. Instant access, and you do get the option to have the ING Everyday Roundup, which is also a nice feature as well. To sign up, you simply go to ING and open an account, move your money over, and then obviously you can start setting up your savings plan. With ING, you have to deposit at least $1,000 from an external source to any personal ING account in that person's name. So excluding Living Super and Orange One. Now you do need to make 5 purchases during that month, which is pretty simple for most people. And then the other option, or the third option, is you need to nominate your savings maximizer balance. So some people tend to have 2 or maybe even 3 savings account with ING. And if you don't deposit the money in the correct savings account, you could potentially miss out on getting your big bonus of 5.5% per annum. So they do make you jump through these 3 hoops. Now, if you can definitely do all 3 of these 100% every single month guaranteed, obviously this is going to be the option for you. However, if you like to put your money a bit more on autopilot, it's a bit more of a separate account, and you just want to have it as more of a long-term savings, I do believe that UBank is going to be the better option for you. So you still get the 5.10% per annum. And this is also, again, no fees as well. So there's no additional hidden fees that you need to worry about with this one. There's also some nice features in here as well. So no monthly fees. You can connect other bank accounts inside your account. So you can actually see how much income is going into your other accounts. Let's say you're also with, say, CommBank or ANZ. You can get predictions for regular payments and bills, etc., which is a nice feature. And then to get the 5.10% per annum, you need to meet the minimum amount of deposits into your account. So if you want the bonus interest on your savings account, and any money that goes into your account, it doesn't matter which one it goes into, it's still going to qualify. All you simply need to do is deposit $200 per month into any account that is within your UBank account. So you can have 3, 4, 5 different options for save accounts. It doesn't matter where that money goes to. It can go into your spend or your save. And as long as it's $200, you will qualify for the full 5.10%. Obviously, that is subject to change. Now, a nice little feature is you can have up to 10 save accounts, which is very good in my opinion. It helps manage your money better. And you get a bonus interest combined balance of up to $250,000 across all of your save accounts. Now, if you're a big saver and you're with ING, now this is only available for up to $100,000 as well. So depending on how much money you are actually saving, if you don't want to invest that money into something else like stocks, etc., and you just want to have it saved and you just want to make the most amount of money, depending on how much you are saving, if it's above $100,000, then also UBank might be a better option for you as well. Now, depending on which one you do choose to go with, they're both very simple to start up with. You go onto the website, you would go to the Get Started option, and then you would scan this code for UBank. And then the same thing with the ING, you would open a savings maximizer and under a new customer, and then you would sign up through that option as well. And that is all. So I hope you found this helpful, guys. Just a bit of a slightly deeper dive if you're trying to decide between ING or UBank. But I do believe UBank is the slightly better option if you're a little bit more on the lazy, forgetful side. Otherwise, if you've got everything dialed in 100% and you're not over $100,000 in savings, then ING may be the way to go for you. So let me know in the comments below, what have you decided to go with, or who are you looking at trying out? And I will see you in the next video.